Friends, hello. Subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell to not miss any new videos. Write in the comments how you personally use artificial intelligence in the real estate industry. And yes, this video was also created with AI text translation editing. From me here, just avatar, inspiration, and facts. My name is Sergey Cherniak. I am a real estate agent in Berlin, and I actively use AI. Important. According to European law, no personal data of clients may be uploaded to the models. Everything is processed anonymously. Here are 20 ways AI helps me. 1. Creating property descriptions for ImmoScout24, ImmoWelt, eBay, and other platforms. 2. Valuing real estate with various models and comparing with my expertise. 3. Analyzing real estate documents based on anonymized data. 4. Searching for needed emails in the inbox with Gemini. 5. Chatbots in WhatsApp and Telegram for clients, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without weekends, holidays, or vacations. Creation of SEO-optimized text for websites. 7. Idea and description generation for YouTube and Instagram. 8. Proposal of marketing campaigns and business strategies. 9. Creation of such synthetic videos like this. 10. Video editing, cutting, and subtitles. 11. Creating short videos based on my described script. 12. Digital agents for various roles. Lawyer, accountant, translator, and so on. 13. Shortening long letters to the essentials and writing long letters from 1 or 2 syllable responses. 14. Presentations and visualizations. 15. Creating object descriptions from documents. 16. Analytics, business plans, and calculations. 17. Virtual apartment setup. 18. Translations and communication in various languages, not only in text form but also in real-time audio, that is, simultaneous translation. 19. Intelligent conversation partner on all topics, from real estate and taxes to history, fashion, or the meaning of life. 20. Recommendations on law, finance, and architecture, which can be reviewed by professionals. AI, my full-fledged assistant. It accelerates processes, improves service, and provides more time for clients, and all for about 20 euros per month. Write in the comments how you use AI or which of the 20 points is the most interesting to you in each model. I will make a separate video for each tool if people in the comments ask me to. Don't forget, your like and subscription are the best support for our channel. See you next time.